If you are a small business owner, you must have heard your customers asking for payment options other than cash or UPI. NGOs, content creators, and a lot of other entrepreneurs face a similar issue. It can also lead to you losing out on your customers. But the moment you think about enabling payment options like cards, you think about the cost of building a website or a mobile app, isn't it? What if we told you that you don't need a website or a mobile app to accept online payments? You can even get started with an existing blog or a web store with a simple and fully customizable solution. PayU payment buttons allows growing businesses, individuals, and NGOs to quickly accept secure payments and donations. The best part about payment buttons? There's no need of any tedious integration. Absolutely hassle-free. You can customize the look and name of your button to match your brand. A simple way to accept payments through 100+ modes like net banking, credit and debit cards, UPI wallets. Just customize the form and place the button wherever you want to on your blog or website, literally. And yes, you can also accept international payments with PayU payment buttons. How to add the payment button? Just create, copy, and paste. 1. Log on to your PayU dashboard. Select Create Payment button and customize its look and feel. 2. Once you create the button, a small HTML code will be generated. Copy that code. 3. Paste that code at the place you would want your button to be, whether it's a blog or a website. That's it! Accepting payments with PayU is super quick and easy. Thousands of our customers have been using the payment button to accept payments and collect donations. And nothing makes us happier than seeing our customers at ease. If you are a business or an individual looking for a 100% no-code product and want to accept payments ASAP, PayU is the solution for you. Sign up today and experience the ease of accepting payments.